Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a cinnamon donut bread. Right, donut. This is the important word in that sentence. This comes together very quickly, is really easy to make, goes into the oven for about 55 to 60 minutes, and then that's it. That's it. So easy, throw it together. You could even adjust the ingredients. Want to use a different type of flour? Feel free. So let's get to it, but first I was inspired by this song. Cinnamon donut bread, it will make you well fed. Delicious and so very sweet, a real treat. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a real treat. How could it not be? First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you wanna do is get your 8x4 or 9x5 dish ready to go. You could spray it, put butter in it, or just put parchment paper like I did. Mix your dry ingredients first, all-purpose flour, sugar, cinnamon, baking powder, salt. Whisk together until combined. Eggs, milk, vanilla, and some melted butter. Whisk together. Add the wet to the dry. Stir together until just combined. You just want to make sure that there are no white streaks in here from the flour. Pour the batter into your pan. Spread evenly in your pan. Brown sugar. You can use light or dark. I decided to use dark. Some more cinnamon. Mix together. Spread your cinnamon and sugar mixture on top of the batter. Into the oven for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Time's up. Time for the toothpick test. That's pretty clean. Let's take it out. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, and then we'll transfer it fully out of this to the wire rack, and we're just gonna lift the parchment paper up. Easy peasy. All right, it has cooled down, and I have literally just lifted it out of the pan. So now let's get it off of this parchment paper. Look how easily that lifts up. Nice. Okay, let's cut it and see what it looks like. There's a lot of extra cinnamon and sugar on top. Yum, look at that. Look at this delicious cinnamon donut bread. Yum. You know, if you were to get a cake donut from any donut shop and you broke it in half, this is what it would look like. It smells fantastic. Let's give it a try. Get some of that cinnamon and sugar crust. This tastes exactly like a cinnamon donut. I mean, I guess why wouldn't it? Flour, butter, sugar, cinnamon. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is. What did you decide to do to yours? Did you add nuts in yours? Did you add that almond extract in to give it a little extra oomph? Let me know what you did. I'd love to know. In the meantime, I will be enjoying this thoroughly. If I can make the cinnamon donut bread for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.